Your next car could be the 2020 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Mazda CX-5, the efficient crossover with superb handling and a premium interior. Available all-wheel drive capability and flexible cargo space make this driver-focused compact SUV as versatile as it is beautiful. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Give yourself the driving pleasure you deserve in this athletic CX-5. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.